everyone, my name is Norbert. I'm here to make a converter. Then you can see what we do. It's converter. But here you can put an amount in 100 in USD. Then we can convert in Elo. And also that. Yes, we have to get in code to make the output that output. Open our VS Code. Then open a file which called text.html. Main is file of HTML. Then save in the folder. Then create the new file of called style.css. Then save it in that file in that folder. Then on the file called script.js. Then save it. Then start our HTML. Have a structure page. Put this structure of HTML. First, you have to create the class of code container. Then create another class which called currents. Another class which called header. Then put the header. Then create heading which code heading 2 called RWEMA code company. Then create heading 4 which called current exchange platform. And after ending your header, you have to learn get output header. Then you the main content as for the main content. But you have to create a class called money. We include the paragraph of money and the class which called amount. That is the amount here that we then get the paragraph of amount. Yeah. Then the input one is it will allow the user to input the amount of money they want to change from one currency to another. Then I have to get 100 in an ID which I may use in a JavaScript wallet. Yes, um, then create each call from here will contain the money. I will contain the those currents of money. Select ID, start from, then an option value, password, password, copy it, then create the new value, hello, in European font, on the front. And after it, create the class where you input the currencies which you are going to convert, and change that class which is equal to. Then have to run to get the output. Just that you have created the other class which will contain the final result in our current converter. Create the class which is called final. Then you have to create the class which is called button. This will include the button you have to use in order to convert type of button value, convert, then I have to get an event called on click. This event we have to call it in JavaScript. I have to get that class which called the button, create the class which is called the lizard. Of that I have to create a file which is called the lizard. Then another one which will contain the final lizard of trying to convert by the lizard. Then here, we will contain the final result of our clients. So after then have to get it starting set the batch. First you have to get out HTML structure. Then HTML structure is the that. What to do is that to start the CSS. But firstly, what I'm gonna forget it is to link the file of CSS in that HTML. Have to link then that's the name of the CSS. Finally, have to link file of JavaScript. Put script to GS. Get it margin code 0, padding 0. Margin will remove the size between the universe selector and outside of it, while padding of 0 will remove the spaces from between universe selector. Box sizing border box allow it to be as border box. That's the new class called the container display text. It helps us make our class which called the container from the text, justify content, center, allow it to get in middle part. As you have seen, that one is only in middle part. Line items, center, allow it to after that we insert main height code 100 ph. This main height will lower the spaces begin our class of container from the top to the bottom. As I've seen, it will done. Then the current width is called m 8, which is called 0.8 m. Background color white. Then border get one lem solid. RGB it is color 171 167 167. After then I will start to get output. As I've seen, our border is exactly on that one. Then I'll start on the comments. We call the class which is header, the width 100%, the exit is 100%, head 14, length, background the color, a bit blue, the padding, increase the size in the header, column, then I'll to call the header and heading 2. In order to make all changes on heading 2, act on heading 4, I have to call the heading 4, heading 4, then display text, to align items correctly, justify content, in order to make the content on center, then the color will be white, margin equal to 1 rem, will increase the size in the header and outside of it. Obviously, the header is in the header. Then I have to start on the main content. Main content. Then I have to go the main content, the class, specify content center, make the whole content on the center, background the color is white, width specify m 8 and m padding 20 pixels, display which will be block, then margin left will 5 rem. This margin left will push the content from the right side to the left side. As I've seen that. Transform translate to y and 5 length. This will turn will push content from the bottom to the upside as option. This will push by the 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 10 pixels, 0, 0, 0, 5. That's about shadow. As I've seen that I've increased the height. Yes. Then I'll go to the price of the money. Okay. Flex. These these as I've seen on the output. Display flex. Make the flex on the flex section of flow. Then padding and pixels. This will increase the size, will increase the space between them. As I've seen that we will increase the space from this one and this one. Then you have to style. Then not call is to style that one. And I'll call money. One in the case of money. One is called select. Another one is input. Border. The border is none. Outline is none. Then it's width. Let me 5 length somehow. 8 as called true length. Yes. For the radius pixels. Yes. Then margin right. This way this will push this will push the input and select the right side as I've seen that. Background color 171 167 167 to make the as a gray as I've seen that. Yes. Make the font size of 111 font weight is got board. That the font size board. Then have to get in it another class of final. Final. What I've said in this class is input. The border of it is none. I think it is one. It is that one. We are styling outline and remove. Also, you have to remove that border and outline. As I've seen that this one is removed. With paragraph 8 is column for pixels, background the color, how to copy that one, then color white, support enter. Other thing that then I have put on the color, then for the color, in border, and pixels, solid, that one, then I have to select that one, then change color to think it's error. That is all. The transition, second, easy, then how to style the file, put the minor content, is that paragraph, put line, line, seeing that our HTML and CSS is gonna end it. Then you have to see the output of HTML and CSS. Thank you to that one. I've seen that the HTML and CSS it's well, but the one thing that is Rust JavaScript. Then you have to start it, but you have to ensure that JavaScript is linked in the HTML file function, but on the button amount password statement dot get element by id is called amount, but value I think we call the value once called from current document get element by id, but id is called from, but in order to call the value we have to write that dot value main we call the only value found in that class that the id to current want to create to call that the ID which call it to, and end of dot value, call the value. Then what we have gonna end it here only to declare a variable. After that, seconds, I have to create the object, which is the name of the object is exchange exchange rate, and we have to open the property and the value. The part of property is called exchange rate. That one is called property. That one is value. Then that exchange rate is the real exchange rate. I have find it on the internet. Then it an if condition when is not a number when our amount is not a number. Is that where we will get that document dot get element by ID. The the ID which is called the lizard inner email is called hey. Output we will get is that is enter valid amount. Hence here, this one is will result as I have enter the number which is not valid, the not valid. Get another if condition. If from current that one in have to use the for in loop in exchange is in exchange rate. Then when it is not in exchange rate, we are going to get the result returned code and to current in exchange means that when it is not in exchange rate, that one in our data our exchange rate, the result you will get is that one. You get element by ID. ID is called the result. In HTML, the result is called invalid current. Meaning your current is not valid, not found in that current pattern. Then that we have add that one return what to close is to get the output, the formula which is needed for output. They get a value which is called the converted amount here equal to the formula is is the amount times exchange rate, but exchange rate from of two currents where you want to change money, where I want to change money, divided by exchange rate from but from current exchange rate here from current mean where the money will be converted from. Here is right. Finally, that segmented element by ID that inner HTML so to converted amount plus to current and that one hence is the name of currencies hence is the name of currencies which you want to change money fixed suppose three mean here that side of the that side of mean the outside of mean that side mean the after of point there is three variables only and then you have the output message then hello think that output is not to the USID from to hello as I've shown the result is that one is the one amount from USD two and on the franc is that one. Then thanks to watching my video. I hope you to make subscribe, share, and comment to my video and to be able to see other portfolio of projects I have done. Thanks.